People have been spotted in the water here in Blackrock and Salthill both today and yesterday.
The high school that led to Chris Wood's death.
The is that? Shit! I'm dying in this country ass up town. Shit flying in my mouth.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
This one is about 12 pounds, but they can grow to be
Following the 2010 census, Myrtle Beach's MPO is moving.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness.
Hotspots this Friday morning, plus lots of your photos. Put a bit of smoke.
I'm on 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, I ain't messing with you. Oh no.
Thousands have been built here over the...
The community of Mammoth have been Ow. Holy fuck you, bug. Well, that and we're back.
It is really hard to stand up right now. Oh, not to mention the rain is just killing me. For whatever it's worth, I hope I'm making Tebow proud.
Come right here.
Play is to tunnel in snowbanks near the road. A few years ago, one boy actually...
Para que tú tengas una idea, mira este poste de luz.
Ay, 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 ay.
This low-lying...
Meester, wat is er nou zo bijzonder aan Zeilkampen?
Als je de mooiste... Dat gaat niet goed. Deze kant op. Probeer.
No. Yes, please. Okay.
Being required to bottle the milk made it difficult for the small farmer to do so.
So I've been getting lessons from the semi-pros, right? This morning on the proper way to sled down a hill that's more muddy than snowy. They say no matter what, just have fun, use your hands, and make sure you steer. Oh, boy.